So now we will go to the next stage, eyes. To start with, I will take a dark color, which I have on my palette. Here I have black, for example. I'll tell you all the names of the colors that I use. And so I'll take black and blue and mix them together on my palette to get such a grayish blue, which I'll use to make the shadows on the white. And so I add it in the corners and leave just a tiny bit of white in the center. I work here on the right and on the left at once. Then we need to dry the watercolor again, otherwise it will all flow. If you don't have a hair dryer, first you work with one side, then with the other. In the meantime, the other will dry. So you can work now in some other areas and wait while the eyes will dry, or you can take a hair dryer and make it faster. So in this case, I can start working with the shadows on the neck, under the chin, the ears, add some darker shadows. You see, I don't make them symmetrical, vice versa. Under the ears there will also be a bit of a shadow, so you can enhance it there. Just don't paint over the ear as I have just done, so I have to wipe it carefully. If you have, then wipe it with a clean wet brush, and wipe it carefully. Under the ears there will be also shadow here, so don't forget about it. And we will have a go on top with one more layer. So here let's enhance the color. Here might be a shadow in the center. And as a rule, a bit of a shadow here to show the volume. So here we dry and go to the next stage. Okay, here the same we do with the next eye. On this eye it's easier, it's more handy if you are right-handed, of course. And likewise lower row of lashes. Now if you have made such a dot, okay, and I think that's it. Our lesson is over. I hope that you liked it and it was helpful. I'm waiting for your work, so share them with me, your questions and your feedback. Thank you for watching and see you at our next lessons. Bye! Okay, and I go on making it better and better. It's high time to stop, but here I have added a tiniest shadow above the eyelid. Okay, now that's it. That's it for sure. See you. Bye.